In this video, I'll show you how to upload video on Google Drive and share link. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. I'm pretty sure you have seen a lot of videos about that here online, right? So what you're gonna do basically right now, you're gonna come on here. Okay, you're gonna click on this dotted icons, right? So wait for it to load up. So you're gonna go down and select the Google Drive. Okay, let me refresh this. Exactly, so this it has opened up. So you're gonna click on this drive right here. So wait for the drive to open. So I'm gonna show you how you can upload file, how you can upload a video, right, to your Google Drive and still share the link as well, right? Maybe to your family, to your friends, anyone you want to give access to it, right? So it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, what we're gonna do now, we wanna upload a video right here, right? We wanna upload a video. Click on this new. Click on, let me say, file upload, right? So I'm gonna find that video that is yeah, okay, this one. I'm gonna upload it right here. So I'll wait for it to load up, right? So I think it's gonna show, right? It's gonna show somewhere here. Yeah, exactly. You can see it. You can see the progress of it gradually uploading. So wait for it to open. You can see the progress. It's gradually loading, right? So it's gonna upload very soon now. So you can see this video has been uploaded. You can see it right down, one upload complete, right? So what you're gonna do right now, I think, yeah, I'm gonna click on this to see where it entered, right? So you can see it's currently locating. So you can see my drive. This is the video. Now for you to be able to share link, what you're gonna do right now, right, you're gonna click here, right? You're gonna see this share. So from the share option, you can either add people up, right, maybe through the email or something, or you can copy this link. So this is how you can upload video on Google Drive and share the link. This video is basically an educational video. I'm just sharing my thoughts on how you can do this, right? Easy for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the show. I'm gonna see you all in the very next.